Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and then here you can find power saving mode. So here you can switch it. You can also set it to turn on automatically when your device is up to 19% charged. You can set it to turn on at a specific battery level, so for example at 20% battery it will be enabled automatically. You can also switch its default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization and lower the screen refresh rate. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.